Hey, welcome to our new video about the most overlooked cleaning spots. Cleaning your home well before moving out is important in order to get your security deposit back and avoid any possible cleaning fees. Before you start scrubbing, make sure to check our top 10 cleaning tips. Start by cleaning the kitchen cupboards inside and out. First, take out all the plates and other utensils and clean their interior thoroughly. Don't forget to wipe down the handles and cupboards exterior as well. Next, clean the cooktop with a suitable cleaner. It's important to use a cleaner especially suitable for your cooker to get rid of the grease and avoid any damages to the cooker. Make sure to clean the backsplash panel of your cooker with a strong degreaser or an alternative cleaner. One of the most overlooked items when it comes to the checkout cleaning is the kettle. Make sure to clean it well both inside and out. Pro tip: add white vinegar or lemon juice to the water and cook it. Clean your fridge thoroughly before the final checkout. Make sure to take out all drawers and shelves as lots of food particles and dirt can gather in these places. Don't forget to wipe down the exterior of your refrigerator of any unwanted food splatters or fingerprints. After cleaning, turn off your fridge and place a towel inside to absorb all the ice that will melt down from the freezer. Make sure to take out the garbage and clean the trash can. Use a special limescale remover to easily get rid of the stubborn limescale in your shower cabin. To make it easier for yourself, let the solution soak all the dirt before you start scrubbing. Don't forget, the limescale will also form in your sink, both in the bathroom and kitchen. Make sure to perform the same process with your sink to make everything clean and limescale free. Make sure to thoroughly clean the interior and exterior of your windows or balcony doors with a glass cleaner. Don't forget to wipe down the window sills as well. Replace the dust bag of your vacuum cleaner with a new one before you move out. Switches, door handles and knobs collect a lot of dust and dirt throughout time. Use an antibacterial cleaner to disinfect and polish them regularly. Do you also have an intercom handset, air vents or heating radiators in your home? Then you should add these to your clean list as well. If your apartment comes with a washing machine, you will need to clean it as well before your checkout. First, take out the detergent drawer and clean it with a sponge. Next, clean the detergent shelf, the tub and the silicone ring. Pro tip: white vinegar does the trick. Finally, clean the washing machine with a special cleaning solution. Leave the door wide open after the final washing to avoid foul smells forming in the machine. We hope these tips are helpful. If you have any questions about cleaning, feel free to get in touch with us. Thank you for watching!